Hey friends, if you want to know on how to switch from 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi to 5 gigahertz on your Windows 11, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how you can do that. So let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar, search for Device Manager. Click on this. Here in the Device Manager window, you need to look for the network adapters. Look for your Wi-Fi network, your network adapter. Right-click on that, select Properties. Then here, another window will appear. This is your Wi-Fi properties. You have General, Advanced, Driver, Details, Events, and Resources tab. You need to click on the second tab, the Advanced tab. And here, you need to look for the preferred band. This one. The preferred band. Click on this drop-down arrow and choose 5G first. Once done, look for roaming aggressiveness. Change this to lowest or medium-low. The lower the roaming aggressiveness, the higher the speed of the Wi-Fi. So just click on 2 or 3. And then you need to scroll up to channel width for 2.4 gigahertz. Make sure this is auto. Especially for the 5.2 gigahertz, make sure this is auto. Once done, just simply click on OK. And then close this window. Now click on your Wi-Fi icon. Now you need to look for any Wi-Fi network that is 5 gigahertz, or you want to connect switching from 2.4 gigahertz to 5 gigahertz. Now, how can you know that you are in that 2.4 gigahertz or 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi? Click on the start button and go to settings. On the left pane, you need to click on network and internet. Now, as you can see, I am in a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. I am connected to 2.4 gigahertz. So if you want to connect to another Wi-Fi network, which is 5 gigahertz, if that is available, if there are any available networks that is 5 gigahertz, then just simply switch into that Wi-Fi network. You can know that that is a 5 gigahertz. Just simply go to settings, network and internet, and check for the properties. So this is how you're going to switch from 2.4 gigahertz to 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi in your Windows 11. So I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.